Wow, this is also 18 kg rayon cloth, and we will get wonderful design from this kurti. See this is a like gota patti design, and entire kurti we will get this design. Gota patti like sleeves also so nice, and here some lace also available. Next collection like simple and sober, unique. See, observe this sleeves also so nice, and we will get complete design from the sleeves, and collar neck, and simple and sober unique collection. Hi friends, welcome back to Ishita House Factory Outlet. This is your friend Shailaja. In today's video I am going to show the collections of especially in kurti collections. So friends, this is our godown. This is like total belongs to, this is a godown like dress and dress materials like kurtis godown. And in today's video I am going to show the collections of specially kurtis. If anybody new to watch this video, please subscribe our channel, share, like and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon, then you will get the all notifications from our channels. We also mention our total details and new channel details in the description box. Please go and check out. So friends, let's get start the video and see the collection. So friends, we have a different department wise. This is belongs to only kurtis department. We have to get kurtis and catalog like plazo and sharara garara pattern dresses and long frock crop top also. So today's video I am going to show the collections of especially in kurtis only here starting from 45 rupees. See this, only we will get 45 rupees kurti here starting price. So this is total cotton based. We will get some design like checks design also, and see this sleeves also like balloon sleeves we will get here. And friends, let's see the next collection of the kurti. See this is like some 18 kg rayon cloth, and we will get wonderful design from this kurti. See this is the like thread work and multi combination of color combination of work here we will get. See this, we will get the nice sleeves like balloon sleeves and total like shining cloth also. And let's see the move forward and next collection. See this is like long frock. See, and observe this neck part, so highlight, looking like so gorgeous, like light and dark color combination of long frock we will get from here. And see, this is the like collar neck, and we will get total hand touch up making work. And ending part, observe this ending part, we will get net cloth, and here also some chemki work also here available. See this is like long frock. See this, in this long frock we will get different sizes and different colors also. And see, let's see the next design. Wow, this is also 18 kg rayon cloth, and we will get wonderful design from this kurti. See this is a like gota patti design, and entire kurti we will get this design. Gota patti like sleeves also so nice, and here some lace also available. And see this ending part also so nice. This is like so unique and simple sober looking like so nice. And let's see the next collection. See, this is a simple sober unique silent color. See this, and observe this multi combination of thread work also here available. This is like simple pattern. And let's see the next collection of dark color combination of this kurti. See this is like pink color combination, and small here I will hand touch up making work also here available, friends. And let's see this design also so unique and wonderful, and we will get nice cloth also and lines design also here available. In this kurti we have a different color and design combination of kurtis we will get from this. This is like long frock like checks combination of design we will get from this kurti. And observe this neck part, so highlight and multicolor combination of white, blue, like grey. And observe this collar neck also so highlight, and total like pure cotton based like this. And let's see and next collection. See this next collection like simple and sober unique. See, observe this sleeves also so nice, and we will get complete design from the sleeves, and collar neck, and simple and sober unique collection. And in these dresses we have a catalogs and non catalogs also. And let's see the jacket pattern. See this is a jacket pattern, and observe this jacket so highlighted, so simple unique like. And observe this buttons also. And let's see the hands also so nice, and 3/4 hands we will get from this kurti. And kurti with jacket. Let's see the next kurti, and we will get complete total work from this kurti. See this is a like chicken work combination. Next collection like simple and sober, unique. See, observe this sleeves also so nice, and we will get complete design from the sleeves, and collar neck, and simple and sober unique collection. Next collection like simple and sober, unique. See, observe this sleeves also so nice, and we will get complete design from the sleeves, and collar neck, and simple and sober unique collection. So unique and highlight. See, and let's see the next kurti. See this, friends, this is also like simple and sober looking like. See this, and neck part also so simple, and some people are like to wear this kind of simple and unique silent color combination of kurtis. So let's see the next collection of last collection. See this is the 18 kg rayon cloth, and we will get shining also. See this is cloth also so smooth and so lightweight cloth, and let's see the design also so different, like multicolor combination of thread work we will get from this kurti. And observe these sleeves also so unique and so nice, and we will get from this kurti. So friends, here minimum order starting from 20,000 to 25,000. We have a online facility also, we have a cash on delivery also, and we have a transport facility in total all over India. So friends, we not only have kurtis, we have a dress materials like daily wear sarees and catalog sarees and Punam sarees like pattu saree, Banarasi saree, lehengas, all collections we have in Ishita House. So friends, all facilities here available, and no any languages issue, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Hindi, English, all languages persons here available, friends. So friends, you are directly dealing with the manufacturer, then only you will get the nice profit and you will get the nice margin. And I hope this video is so informative for you. And if anybody new to watch this video, please subscribe our channel, share, like and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon, then you will get the all notification from our channel. We will meet in next video. Until then, bye friends.